What is up guys, welcome back to HK Talkies. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play a guitar in just 10 seconds. Okay guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need a guitar. Got a big guitar here in the back. So let me get it open now, okay, in front of you guys, okay? No cheating. It's a new one, so I haven't taken on the price tag also yet. So this is a guitar. You can do it with your fingers or with the thing. I prefer the fingers, the Varna Mairam Surya, I don't know how to do that. Okay. So yeah guys, so let me teach you now how to strum a guitar. Okay. Yeah. So you hold the guitar like this, like hold a machine gun. Okay. Then next, put a finger like this. Me 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 me. And then hold it, put your hand wherever you want lah. And then see this hole on top of a few strings, right? Yeah, you strum there simply. So yeah guys, that is a simple way to strum a guitar. If you still cannot get it, yanda, why are you all coming to YouTube? Don't watch YouTube anymore. Subscribe to my channel. Then after that you stop YouTube, okay? So peace out guys, love you all. You guys are the best. I'm going to show you in the next video. Peace out!